Circulatory system. The circulatory system helps in the transport of substances from one part of the body to other parts. The human circulatory system comprises of blood, blood vessels and heart. Blood is a red-colored fluid that flows inside the blood vessels. Blood transports digested food from the small intestine to all parts of the body. Blood carries oxygen from the lungs to the cells of the body. Blood transports waste for removal from the body. Blood is composed of plasma and blood cells. The three types of blood cells are red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Red blood cells contain a red pigment called hemoglobin. The function of hemoglobin is to transport oxygen to all the cells of the body. White blood cells fight against germs that enter our body. Platelets help in blood clotting. The three different types of blood vessels in the human body are arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries carry oxygen-rich blood from the heart to all parts of the body except the pulmonary artery. The pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs. Veins carry carbon dioxide-rich blood from all parts of the body back to the heart except the pulmonary vein. The pulmonary veins carry oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart. Arteries have thicker walls than the veins. Capillaries are extremely thin tubes that join the end of an artery to the beginning of a vein. Heart is the muscular pumping organ of the body that pumps blood to all the parts of the body through the blood vessels. It is located in the chest cavity with its lower tip slightly tilted towards the left. The heart consists of 4 chambers. The upper 2 chambers are called the atria, whereas the lower 2 chambers are called the ventricles. The left side of the heart contains oxygen-rich blood, whereas the right side of the heart contains carbon dioxide-rich blood. The partition between the chambers helps to avoid mixing of oxygen-rich blood with carbon dioxide-rich blood. The passage of blood in the heart can be described as follows. The veins carry deoxygenated blood from different organs and drain the blood into the main vein called vena cava. The vena cava drains all the blood into the right auricle. The right auricle contracts and pushes this blood into the right ventricle. The right ventricle pumps this deoxygenated blood into the pulmonary artery. The pulmonary artery carries this blood to the lung where it gets oxygenated. The pulmonary veins carry oxygen-rich blood from the lungs to the left atrium of the heart. The left atrium contracts and pushes the oxygenated blood into the left ventricle. The left ventricle contracts and pumps the oxygenated blood into the main artery called aorta.